Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about is your iPhone is listening and tracking to you. If yes, then you must have to turn off the settings immediately on your iPhone. So what are these settings? How you can know about that? So what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So here you have to simply go to settings, and in settings what you have to do, you have to simply first of all scroll down and you have to go to privacy and security. And here what you have to do, if you want to check whether your iPhone is tracking to you, then you can simply check for the location services, which means which of the apps are using your location service. And if you do not want any app to use your location service, then you have to simply turn this off. And after that, none of the apps will use your location service. And if you want to limit the location of the some of the apps, and you can simply check for any of the app, and you can simply turn off these settings. So here you can simply check for the apps, and the next thing you have to do is you have to simply check for the tracking. You can simply check which of the app is tracking you. So if you do not want any of the app to track you, so you have to simply turn off these settings. So here you can simply click on that, and after that all of the apps which are tracking you will turn this off. So you can simply check for that, and if you do not want any app to track you, then you can simply turn off these settings permanently. Moreover, you can also check for the contacts access, which means you have to check whether which of the apps has contacts as access of you. Moreover, you can also check for the files and folders, which means which of the apps are using your files and folder. And the next thing you can check is you can check your accessories, which means which of the accessories are being accessed by any of the app. And you can also check for your Bluetooth access. After that, you can go to the camera and you can check which of the app is using your camera. And after that, you can scroll it down and you will find the setting related to microphone, which means we can check which of the app is listening to you, and you can simply turn off any of the apps microphone accessibility. So you can simply check for that. And after that, what you have to do, you have to uh, scroll it down and you can simply click on analytics and improvement, and here you can simply turn off this setting immediately if you do not want to share your analytics to the iPhone and any of the apps. So you have to make sure about that. And after that, you have to go back, and here you can simply click on Apple advertising, and you can simply turn off this personalized ads option if you do not want to get the ads related to your information. So you can also check for your view and targeting information. And after that, what you have to do, you have to make sure about that you have done all the stolen device protection. It will add extra security layer to your iPhone. And the next thing, you have to check whether you have limited your Siri accessibility, which means whether Siri is listening to you all the time or whether it will only listen to you while you want it. So you can simply turn this off, and if you any of the need it, and you can simply click on Hey Siri, and after that it will activate it. So you can simply check for the settings also. Moreover, you can also check for the accessibility and check any of the apps is using your accessibility settings or not. So you can check for the settings also. So hope you have liked this video. To get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.